Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as tow mirrors, premium leather heated and ventilated seats, lane keep assist, 360-degree camera, and so much more. Check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling coupled with storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory with the wood and chrome accents. You also have these chrome rain boards here as well, and the heated and ventilated power adjustable high country seats, super comfortable. Left side, you'll have your 2- and 4-wheel drive and drive mode selector, as well as your lighting controls with heads-up display controls right next to it. Onto the steering wheel. Left side, you'll have your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the bronze accent. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. So with the odometer cluster control, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your maintenance gauges, as well as your adaptive cruise control, follow distance, pretty much anything you need, as well as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have the classic column truck shifter. You can see the heads-up display up there. And onto the infotainment system, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation as well. You can also access your trailering, as well as Amazon Alexa, and your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the mirrors. You're going to have that full body view, as well as your bed view camera, and also with the Weather Channel and Spotify and Maps Plus. Dual zone climate control. You're going to heated ventilated seats with your exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, and as well as your auxiliary ports. Integrated brake controller, 2 USB, and as well as an AC wall charger with a wireless charger on the bottom, and the center console storage with an SD card reader for navigation and 2 more USB ports. Passenger side, power adjustable as well, same finish. You're going to have the high country stitch, wood and chrome, as well as a double glove box, speakers and storage on top. You're going to have a regular and digital rear view. You can access your reading lamps, your rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. You're going to have these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Toyo Open Country tires. You're going to have high country badging, Duramax and Allison badging, the big chrome tow mirrors, and the chrome keyless entry door handle, side steps as well, and the pay match corner step bumper, this trailer hitch and exhaust as well, the 5th wheel, easy lift tailgate. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on each side with an AC wall charger, 12 bed tie downs as well as your hitch points. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, paneling cup holder storage again on the bottom next to the speakers, chrome accent with power windows. Pop back. Lots of leg room. You're going to have storage behind the driver and passenger side, rear cup holders, rear heated seating, USB ports, as well as ventilation. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats. Storage under the seats as well. Lamps up top, the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as lane departure warning, heated and ventilated seats, heads-up display, tow mirrors, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.